Good day, fellow options traders. In this video, I want to summarize the results of the October option series. We will talk about what happened with the market, volatility, assets, and which strategies performed the best. It's simple, really. We waited long enough and finally got a growth. And over the last 2 weeks, there has been significant growth with all tokens, and most notably, Bitcoin. On October 13, 14, Bitcoin was at 27,000. Then fake news about Bitcoin ETF approval came out and Bitcoin went up to 30k. After it became clear that it was a fake, Bitcoin returned to its initial state on October 16th. But then, because of the positive news of the last few days, Bitcoin showed significant progress and went up 25% in 2 weeks. And I think the news that played a major role was this one. DTCC added BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF to its list of supported assets. And because of that, we saw the strong rise to the 35. We saw even a rise to 35,500 to 700. And now Bitcoin is trying to fix its position at that level. It is a similar situation with Ethereum. At the beginning of the month, the price was somewhere around 1,550, and recently it has crossed the 1,800 level. Naturally, volatility has also increased significantly. At the beginning of the month, it was somewhere around 25 and 30 for Ethereum. Bitcoin's volatility is 23, 21, very low. Options volatility was also incredibly low. But now we're seeing an explosive increase in volatility. The November option series has a level of 60 or more. And in the next series, I'm going to do a volatility sorting now. The level is 50. But now let's move on to strategies. What strategies have done well over the last 2 weeks? Vertical call spreads, of course. These options were practically worthless. Now I'm going to simulate for you a situation of the past and pick an early date. October 10th. Back then Bitcoin was worth 27,000. Volatility was 35. Not bad because the options were still pretty far. So for a call option with a strike of 33, I'll change the volatility to 34. And look, these options are worth almost nothing. Any purchased out-of-the-money call options would yield a very good profit, if you manage to save them to expiration. And the vertical spread you see on the screen right now would have yielded over $1,000 in profit. A reverse ratio spread on call options would have shown good results too. And now I'm going to create one for you to demonstrate it. For example, I'm selling call options at strike 31, 1,000 contracts. And then I buy call options at strike 32, 2,000 contracts. Prices were low with old volatility. Let me try to set the volatility to what it was before. Strike 32 has a volatility of 33, strike 31 had a volatility of 32, and their price was in somewhere around 10 points. Therefore, I changed the price of our bought and sold options, 10 here and 5 here. The other way around. But it's not that important. I have said many times in my videos that back ratio spreads are great for capturing the growth of an asset. I've also said that if the price breaks the 30 level, it won't stop there. But there's a strong resistance at 31 and 31,500. And this strategy has almost zero risk. The only risk is to be in this pit, where there is strong resistance, which means that it is a low chance to stay in this pit, and the price will either bounce back or go further. Because of the strong growth, this strategy could have brought us over $1,500. And because of the strong rise in volatility, options became more expensive. It happened quick. And the further away the expiration time is, the more vega the option gets. So on the November-December option series, we see a lot of potential for profit. In previous videos, I said that if volatility has entered a long, narrow channel, This is about to change soon. The only question is when the rise will happen at all. If you use right now a short series of options that is about to expire, there will be no more results, because there is no more time premium left in the options. And in the end, I will say that the October option series was very interesting and eventful. Assets showed strong growth. Ethereum is up 20%. Bitcoin is up 25%. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Tell me about topics that interest you. I will make videos about them. Leave a like if you liked this video. Subscribe to our channel. I wish you all the best and successful options trading.